Good morning, Bear Nation. Morning of day 3. Well, it'll be evening by the time you see this. Lining up to roll out of the fob. Truck looks like, it's full of stuff. Getting the convoy ready to roll down to Rolling Fork, Mississippi. Getting everybody lined up now. We are up to 20 volunteers, half a dozen pieces of equipment. We've got more people and more equipment rolling in, and still working on getting the local county leadership to bless off, give us authority to start operating in the downtown area, while also simultaneously identifying targets outside of town. And even some of the targets outside of town, utter destruction, but waiting for insurance companies and FEMA to say, yep, that's destroyed, you should knock it into a pile, or yep, that's destroyed, there's literally nothing left, before we can start working. So we're back out to the same site we were on yesterday. We're going to finish up out there. We've got a house to demo, we've got a house to finish up, debris cleanup, and then we're also going to send a recon team out to find more targets to hit, to go be the hands and feet and love on people and do the best that we can to shine a little bit of light all over this freaking disaster. Is this cup authentic enough for you, Kosher Dad?
All right, Bear, what are we doing today?
Putting these poor people's house into a pile so that one by one can
Copy.
So, got a track hoe headed over here to the back corner of this house to keep smashing it into a pile so that it'll fit in a bucket.
Panda, can you send somebody over to my truck so that we get the dog food and cat food?
Apparently we got to get some dog food and cat food, and our 2-ton with the gooseneck just dropped off the track hoe. He's got to go and get another skid steer with a grapple so we can get over here. And Mississippi Emergency Management Agency has given us authorization to do whatever we want to do, and we are the only, I think I told you this, I can't remember, busy day, the only nonprofit in the area. And yeah, we're also sending out a recon crew right now to go figure out what's the next place they were going with all this heavy equipment and manpower. Thank you for supporting Grindstone Ministries, y'all. Love you. Can't do this without you. I gotta go put this house in the pile. Oh, and over here underneath that tree is a headstone. This is a family cemetery right back here, and there's a headstone right underneath that tree. And so when we get enough equipment out here to hold that tree in 2 places and lift it up in 2 places, I'm gonna cut it, and y'all's will be done, not put the tree onto the tombstone. So back to work in the big old John Deere and John Deere grain. On today's episode, we find an angry prepper in its natural habitat, a disaster zone. The angry man appears to have found a track hoe. He struggles with the controls. An operator instructs him. He crawls to the pile. He pauses. He has not learned to be gentle with the controls, but he's a large, muscly man. His throttle might be too high. Gentle, angry prepper. Gentle. The angry prepper is no longer angry. He has a new toy. He smashes and grabs. A little bit, anyway. Headed back to the fob. It's like 5:30. Super windy. Just met with the Secretary of State for the state of Mississippi on behalf of Grindstone, that hopefully we can get some resources from the county.
Remember, everyone, get your lights on in the convoy.
Juliet, super loud. So we can get some resources from the county, like trucks and grapple trucks, and maybe a freaking debris plan put together so we know where we're taking all this stuff. So anyway, I don't know if I'm salty or tired or whatever. Short sleep last night, ready to be back to the fob. We'll be back there soon. Can't hit the button and drive and smoke a cigar at the same time. All right, y'all. Not only am I putting a bow on this video while I talk to you, I'm also talking to Bob, the COO of Refuge Medical, on my earbud at the same time, because it's been utter chaos today, and it's approaching 9 p.m., and I just realized while I was on the phone, oh, I need to finish that video and upload it for the people. I freaking love y'all. Thank you for supporting Grindstone Ministries. We literally couldn't do this without you, and I say that every video, and I mean it every video. You boys and girls are awesome. Hey, keep us in prayer. Please keep the people at Caleb House in prayer. And if you're in the area and you're hurting, reach out. We got you. Bless y'all. Shalom.